So guys, the video we'll come back with is rating Jamaican artists from 1 to 10 plus smash and fasting. So before we get into this video, when you follow me up for other social media them. Big shout out to Armani Bailey for always support me, and look at this, we are mock me. Alright, so who was you gonna rate now?
Quarter.
Let me first go. Quarter, everybody knows me love quarter. Quarter gets million out of 10. Million out of million. Yeah. Me love quarter. And when I smash it.
I give him a 9. I'm gonna smash him, of course.
Right through. Quarter. Quarter. Love you, baby.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Who next?
Next person.
Daddy 1.
Daddy 1. You go first. Come go first.
Give him a 8 out of 10.
You got it.
I'm gonna smash him.
Me give Daddy 1. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna smash him. Kind of look nice. I'm the artist now.
Camera icon.
Alright, camera icon. We give him 9 out of 10. I'm gonna smash him.
Me give him 10 out of 10. I'm gonna smash him, of course.
Trouble there.
Who next? Ding dong.
You first go.
I'm gonna smash him right through. Right through. I'm gonna give him a 10 out of 10. Yeah. Ding dong am my done.
Ding dong a big belly. See, look. So, he would have mashed me up. So, I left my alone and I smash him up. I left ding dong.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
But he get 10 out of 10. I left my alone and I do it. Me, trouble there.
One. We talking about.
Next one, popcorn. Where are they?
I'm gonna smash him. I give him 8 out of 10.
Alright. Me can't smash him, you know why? Because a quarter friend and quarter will kill me.
Chop off it, girl.
But popcorn, him bust quarter, so me give him 10 out of 10 for that. Right through. Yeah. Next person, Cash. You know, smash that party.
I'm gonna smash him. I give him 7 out of 10.
Alright. Cash, me give you a 9.5. Me sang them bad. So me give you a 9.5. Next person, Skilly Bang. Skilly Bang.
Look at this.
Smash him. The brick boss. I give him 10 out of 10.
And I smash man get the same come one brick palm.
Brick. Brick palm. Brick palm. Brick.
Skilly Bang na go see me with a body pump. Next person, I water.
And me want pretty beats. Me would smash him. And me love pretty. I give I water 10 out of 10. Me would smash him.
Nothing wrong with him in the but as well she said pretty. So I would smash him either. But him get a 10 out of 10 for you.
Who next?
And he sang them
Who
one.
next? Who next?
Alkaline was
We did rate him one time. I'm gonna rate him again. I'm gonna smash him. I give him 6 out of 10.
somebody come and look at this. Come and look at this.
Come and look at this.
Alright, Alkaline. G-O-A-T. Z. Sang them bad. The man. Yeah, man, but yeah. 9.5. But you sang them bad. But that, you know, take it 10, see 10, take it.
Give me.
Next person. And the last person too. You know it,
Rebel man. Intense. I give him a 10 out of 10. Mood smash him. Because Rebel are my girl. My girl. Female, I say. Female.
Intense. Good. Much I give.
No 10 out of 10?
You get 10 out of 10. I not follow her now when you look good. That busy boy, but no. Me a smash you. Me not busy, but me a smash you. Question it will make a girl. Me a smash you. So you're last person. So we have some things I want to say for me to follow up and sing before we end the video. Man artist, female artist, Jamaican artist, but when I go smash and pass them. So you go rate them from 1 to from 1 to 0 to
Me hungry.
me too.
You really me left, right, and sing. Oh, ready. First person.
Shensia. Shensia.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 because the song they nice and she pretty and everything.
This is the original. Next, we have Jada Kingdom.
Alright, so Jada Kingdom.
9 out of 10.
Twinkle look nice. So, she get 10 out of 10 from.
And now we have Spice Official. 10 out of 10. Yes, Spice are my girl. My girl. Like how Monii are my girl.
Period. Spice get 9.5 from. I don't know, I'm just.
Now we have Mayan. 10 out of 10. I like her song then. Bad.
It's so be a fact to talking about be a fact. 10, 10, 10. Nani?
Where's she going to find this one now?
Lani official.
Now we have Lani Official.
Lani, she pretty. She look nice. Lani get 10 out of 10 from me, come like her.
I give her 8 out of 10. I know one song when she sing about at girl.
From me in high school, prepaid for surfing. Prepaid for surfing. She get 10 out of 10 from me.
5%.
So guys, I'm not gonna rate no more. We're not gonna rate no more, so I'm not waiting more. So remember to like, comment, share, to your friend them and everything if you want more lit video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I am Monii, she's Little TC. So this is the end of the video, guys.
Yeah, and stay tuned because she'll come with some more video.
Yeah.
And then one day go epic.
Epic. So comment below what kind of video you want me a Little TC if you do.
I know from business page.
Yeah, chat too fast.
Or follow my business page for IG TC_collection JA. Yeah.
Some good
Sing.
Okay.
Coming soon.
And don't forget to follow my brother page, Renzo Fashion. Yes, you follow me on Instagram, follow Little TC, we name it in the description below. And make you know what kind of video you want it to.
You can't put that part in there. Oh.
Alright, so guys, so big shout out to Arman if you always support me. And comment and say, I really appreciate it, girl. And you need that she get it again. Thanks. Thanks to always support it. So in the comment, kind of video. Oh yeah, I can't get to do no prank. So look what you see, know what me I doing. I can't get to prank you, but I try. Like, you know what I problem. You know what I problem. So I'm going to follow you for everything. You see it. I eat man. Alright guys, so this is the next video again. So bye guys.